What's really exciting about what we do here at CVCF is being able to try and push the limits and push the boundaries with each piece of furniture. They're all one of a kind, but we're constantly trying to not only improve upon something before, but create something new and different and try and always be the next level. The use of epoxy, you kind of have a blank slate almost to let your dreams run wild, create different designs and different ideas. So we're constantly doing lots of research, experimenting, trying different techniques, different designs, different products to stay, exciting and one step ahead of the game. It kind of keeps us excited, keeps our customers excited.
Yeah, customers are pushing us. And like one day a customer called us and say, can you put our logo in the desk and fill it in with epoxy resin? And we said, oh, I don't know. We're gonna have to investigate this. And ends up, we go out and we find a company that has a $200,000 CNC machine that they can etch anything into the desk, any design, any logo, anything you want. And we not only have done that for this one company, it was our breakthrough into the business, but now we're doing it on a regular basis. So we can put your family emblems, we put your company logos, we can put in one table right now, we're putting the Mississippi River in an 18-foot table because this company sells a product that's made and used at the mouth of the Mississippi River. And a company that was in the electronics business, sold electronic circuit boards, we made a river for them, and in that river we implanted these circuit boards so that their customers that they brought in could see that it was a creative table made for their company. And that table happened to have a logo also.
And even art and designs, as opposed to just logos, but it's another way to expand the thought process and the horizons of what you can do and use with epoxy and other materials.
So this CNC and etching and customizing your product to your particular company is this is a new business for us, and we love it. It's so much fun.
To learn more, to get a cost estimate, or to order online, go to ChagrinValleyCustomFurniture.com. You can also call Sheldon Myeroff at 440-591-5511 or email shell@ChagrinValleyCustomFurniture.com. Thanks for watching.